Alright, as we can see here, I have the left Joy-Con connected and the right Joy-Con. The left one is the one I put that piece of paper in the back from that business card. And as you can see, my character is not walking by himself. Steve is kind of back under my control and doing what I'm asking him to do, instead of just running off by himself or falling off of a cliff or other things. So it appears to have worked in this blue Joy-Con. Yay! And I can still press down on it, although nothing happens. But I can hear it clicking. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's still there. So for the left Joy-Con, it worked. Okay, and here's the Minecraft yellow Joy-Con and its counterpart blue one. Now the yellow, it doesn't move forward but I can't move side to side. See, I'm not doing anything, so and it doesn't push down anymore. So I'm going to have to see if I can do anything with this thumbstick at all, or if I just have to replace it. And I can do that too. I can at least still play Minecraft now, but it's a little bit more difficult to move around. Alright, so for that'll be for a future reference, or a future video. We'll be fixing this, so it'll probably be sometime in the winter. Alright, have a good night, and remember to treat others the way you want to be treated, and this world will be a much better place. Good night.